This is called Riviera Lake up here in Harvey Park. I'm at Federal, and actually I'm at Evans and Tennyson. And this is Ken with KenG Fence. I just thought I'd give you a little glimpse of some of the beautiful scenery that I get to enjoy throughout the year. And right now it's around Christmas. The lake is frozen. It's called Riviera Lake. And just finished up some barbed wire here and some chain link. Someone broke in and I went swimming the other night or something like that, but we got it all fixed up. Ken with KenG Fence, 720-431-0927 or KenGFence.com. Call me if you need any fence repairs or a new fence, whatever you'd like. KenGFence.com, 720-431-0927. And this is called Riviera Lake, right next to Harvey Park, on the corner of Evans and Tennyson Avenue here in beautiful Denver, Colorado. Talk to you later.